Welcome back, guys, with another Fortnite video. I'm back once again with another no win, but I just got off playing. But this is gonna be like I'm gonna make like a, what is it called? I forgot what's called. I'll probably not be up. First of all, let me tell you guys, I probably won't be uploading Saturdays and Sundays. Okay. But you know, since yesterday I leveled up to 16, I was what, level 2, 1? And I'm a tier 15? Yeah, and I unlocked this dog. Yeah, look at the dog. He's fresh, huh? But yeah, I unlocked him. And then I was gonna tell you guys. What was I gonna, I forgot. Oh, I was gonna make like a road. You know how, you guys know FaZe, like FaZe Apex and stuff. He do road to a kill cam. But I'm gonna do a road to tier 100. I would try to upload it like every day, like my stats, at least, what tier I am. Cause I did the week challenges already. I just need search supply drop. Or more. What? Search supply drops. Okay. And I need the cozy campfire. But I was playing one game. This is my second game on. Last game, I got second place. Oh, it was for the dumbest reason ever. But I died in a storm. Last circle, I was going down by 10s. So I was dead anyways. Now I had 4 HP. Wait, I'm gonna try doing a road to tier 100. I hope you guys will enjoy that. If you guys do, I'll try to do it next season. I'll keep doing it. I'll keep doing it with Blackout, like road to not Blackout, but like what is it called, multiplayer and stuff. I play a lot of multiplayer. Well, I'm big. I thought there was something in my house. I was about to like really out instead of all the houses. Fuck this. I'll take the pistol. But yeah, like, if you guys would like that, just and if you guys don't, you guys could just tell me and I'll do it out. I don't know. Then, well, you guys still don't even watch anyways. I only had like 4 views. But fuck it, you gotta grow somehow. Yeah. Shut up, dog. Kill him. What? I can't play when I don't know what's up with me, but I can't play when I'm making a video or something. Like talking and making a video together, it's just, I don't know how Ali A does it. But shit, must be nice. Fuck it, we're doing another game. But yeah, I'm gonna try to get to at least tier 23 by today. I gotta know life it though, but fuck yeah, anything's possible, right? It's just a thing. I don't know how to level up quick enough, cause I don't level up. Maybe I need more kills. I'll land a tilted for you guys. When was the last time I landed a tilted for you guys? Only you can prevent V-Bucks hands. Bet. But yeah, if there's any other challenges, I'll do challenges too. You guys leave them like with people, with friends. I'll do them, Oh, I just noticed yesterday, what's it called, another thing with the update, whatever. If you play like crossplay, like if you say you play mobiles, you won't just play mobiles. Last time we were playing with, like, it's all of them. We were playing PC? Hell no, I was freaking getting clapped. There were, I don't like PC players, they comments it looks so easy. But yeah, when we play them, they freaking, what the heck? Their accuracy is like 100% accuracy. I was high-key tripping, what the hell? But I also need to warm up. So I look when I play with PC, I'm gonna get my ass freaking handed to me and shit, but I don't want to play to practice and get. Don't say. How many people land here? Oh, bandage. Yeah, I need bandage. Like 2 games ago, I fucking died in the storm. Oh, my other ear's itchy. Every time I play, like, why is that? You guys get that too? Your guys' ear gets itchy, like. It's every time you guys are playing, though, like, nowhere, like. When you're doing nothing, I was like, yeah, it doesn't get itchy. But yeah, once you're playing, it gets itchy. Like, that's kind of retarded. Like, my ear doesn't want me to win. But I don't know what to talk about. To be honest, I'm gonna be real with you guys. I don't know what to talk about. So, if I stay quiet a couple times, don't be mad at me, because I don't know what to talk about. I could talk about Call of Duty is coming out, what else do I talk about? Black Ops 3, Black Ops 4, where this game's gonna go, how do I feel about this? I like this season. This one. Get out of here, boy! Look. Chill. He took my snipers over. Give me that back. What if? Imagine I hit someone. Are they on the bottom? What the heck? I can't build here? Move. Are they in there? Close that shit. Oh, they're probably up there. Hello? What the hell am I hitting? Oh shit! That's how you guys play. Damn. That's how you guys play. You would've fucked me up. Oh! Imagine I went in there. Funny moments. Funny moments. I'm dead. What kind of shit is that? I put the freaking wall. Okay, I put a wall on my screen. I don't know. Fuck, who cares? Well, I know this is gonna be a short video. It's just, I don't know what to talk about. I just want to upload for you guys, you know, more constantly. But I hope you guys like this video. it's just a little update. It's just like telling you guys like road to tier 100 and stuff, you know. So next video you guys see is probably Monday. Today's Friday, right? Yeah, probably Monday's next video. I'll have the thing. Okay. So hope you guys like this, and I hope you guys like the road to 100, tier 100. I mean, and you know, put a like down there. Hit the like button. I'll put a like. You can put a like. But hit the like button. You know, subscribe, share, whatever floats your boat. Okay, thank you for watching. Peace out.